Rewind. What do Minecraft players actually do all day? Is it just endless mining, crafting, or fighting mobs? Prepare to have your assumptions shattered as we dive deep into the surprising, often overlooked, and incredibly varied daily routines that make up the true life of a Minecraft enthusiast. You won't believe the depth. So here's the deal. Millions of players log into Minecraft every day. Some just chill, build a little, mine a bit, explore, then peace out. But for a dedicated crew, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Their day is filled with a surprising amount of structure, personal goals, and a whole lot of grinding. So let's walk in their blocky shoes for 24 hours and uncover what makes their world tick. 6 a.m., the sun's barely up, but our miner is already hard at work. They've got a new mining setup to test, so they're eager to see how efficient it is. After a quick breakfast, they log into the familiar world they've been working on for weeks. With the help of some automation they set up the day before, they're able to kick back, relax, and watch as the machines start whirring to life. Soon enough, they've got an impressive pile of iron ore to show for their efforts, which they take to their local blacksmith to get turned into some shiny new armor. But it's not all about the gear. Our miner is also an avid explorer, always searching for new and exciting places to uncover. With their trusty pickaxe in hand, they head out into the wild unknown, eager to see what secrets the world has in store for them. As the day goes on, they run into other players who are out exploring, gathering resources, or just looking for a good time. There's a real sense of community among the players, a feeling that they're all working together to build something bigger than themselves. And when they finally log off for the night, it ends with the satisfaction of knowing that they've made the most of their day. In the only way they know how, by digging, crafting, exploring, and building. Because for these dedicated players, Minecraft isn't just a game, it's a way of life. Well, there you have it. The truth about what Minecraft players do all day. It's a mix of creativity, exploration, and hard work, all wrapped up in a pixelated package. So the next time you see someone playing Minecraft, remember, they could be anything from a humble miner to a seasoned adventurer and everything in between. And that's what makes the Minecraft community such a fascinating place. Because there's always something new to discover, whether it's in the game or in the people who play it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my MiniWiseKids. See you tomorrow.